Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and then tap on the sound section. Now just scroll down to the notification sound section. Here as can you see we got the Dara right now. Just tap there and just to change your notification sound select one from these available sounds, or also you can tap here on the plus icon or add ringtone, and if you got some music or sounds on your device or download it from the internet, you can set them also to your notification sound. And then for example we'll go with the hardware and now just tap to OK, and as can you see we just successfully changed our notification sound to the other one. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.